step into your superpower, because we have been told that a lot of times people say you are not good enough, or you are supposed to do this, you are not supposed to do this.
Tell you what you need to do, like you should do this, you should do that.
But you know yourself. Then and the thing is for us to discover what is that and really hone in, because your superpower is your God-given gift that you are meant to serve in this world, right? And if you have not found that out, we are not giving up on you. As long as you are in this community, let's
you don't give up on yourself,
find out. What is that superpower? Really step into it. And because you are the star in your own life. You are the star in your own life.
You're the director, you're the producer.
Yes. So you create that kind of life. You create the kind of impact that you are going to make. You create the business, the culture that you want.
The legacy that you want to leave as well.
And this is what we are here for. We are not, that's why I said, we are not here to like, oh, you must follow me, you must follow my style. No.
Mini Mushida,
no, I don't want you to do my business, because of my business, I know I'm good at that. I want you to do your business that you are good at. So that's why I said, even if you are doing someone else's business for now, which is either MLM or something, that should come under your brand, not you hiding behind their brand. So this is the message, and this is where we want to discover, and it takes some shift, because sometimes people, they're not used to this. All their life they have been told, they have been told that they are not good enough, you must follow like this, you must work for people, you must do this. And we said that is not true, and that is something, is a choice, whether you want to work for someone or not, it's up to you. But it is also another thing is be able to thrive in any situation, in any economic situation, right? Like when you are in COVID, we cannot do things that we were doing in 2019, totally cannot. But some people are still stuck in 2019. Until now, they are still stuck. They still stuck believing that is the way business is supposed to run. That is the way leadership is supposed to be. That is the way life is supposed to be. No, it is totally different. And now it's for us to take and really receive this new way of doing things, and it takes some change, mindset shift, but it can be done, and it takes support. So okay, let's go on and do this, because we want to show you the Kajabi also, the Kajabi platform also. What where are you going? Oh, toilet. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, after okay, so we are focusing on these 4 pillars, like what I mentioned about your superpower. When you are doing your business, we'll do the coaching session based on your 4 pillars, your 4 or 5 pillars. What is your superpower that you are helping people with? Now in the Live a Legacy platform, we are just focusing on these 5, right? Other things we will get other people to do, or we will recommend you. Okay, so the main thing is the mindset. So we'll work around the money mindset, the confidence, and the resilience, because I find a lot of people give up so easily because of that mindset and the self-confidence, right? When you don't have to, because you don't give up your life, you don't like live your life, right? Just because things are hard, right? So it's how to stay resilient in your business. Okay, the other thing that we support you with is on the marketing, like your branding, which Ari is coming to help you. In August, he will be doing a workshop. All of you who are in the mentorship, you get it for free. The others who are in the community now but not in the mentorship, you can pay a discounted amount, right? For Ari's classes. And the other thing about marketing is we are introducing the Kajabi one, and especially for those of you who want to grow your community, we highly recommend Kajabi. For now, maybe Facebook, okay, but Facebook algorithm has changed over the years. So like 3 years ago, 4 years ago, I will always recommend Facebook only. But then now we found that the algorithm has started to change. So we like to make sure that, you also keep your database, your contacts in the right places, but we're still not giving up on Facebook. We are still there.
Facebook is a support. That means, for example, that Facebook is good as a support, but Facebook, you must be careful that if you build a group, say you have over 1,000 people or even 5,000 people, the moment something happens to your account, for example, somebody hacked your account, or Facebook decide to ban you because of certain things that you said or something, then you lose all this database, and you cannot run your business because you only hope on Facebook, right? So that's why you need to have another CRM or your own platform like Kajabi and other platform that Huda mentioned that day. So then you can database will funnel to your own database. Then you are in control.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. And then the marketing one is to mentor and support businesses to grow and get visibility offline and online. Okay. Yeah. So this is the marketing part. Okay. Number 3, what we work with is presentation and pitching skills. Some of you here are already very good because you are public speakers or you are trainers. Your presentation skills is amazing. But don't know how to pitch. Okay, so we'll work on where is your required needs as well. So pitching and presentation is similar. Sometimes you don't even know how to do your 90-minute webinar. Talk to us on that. We'll guide you during the coaching calls, right? Tell us exactly who, right, when we work on your program, okay, I want to do a webinar on this, I'm going to be speaking on this, this is my target market. Okay, let's work around your slides and your presentation, your pitch, and fine tune that, right? So like Huda, we work with her on her pitching skills. Zil work with me on my pitching skills as well, you know, and he's very good at pitching also. So these are things that we have gotten investors, we have gotten sponsors, based on this topic.
And then we have a lot of investors who are looking to invest in businesses, you know. So, but if you don't know how to pitch and your message is not right, you don't have clarity, they will not. Because recently I went to EB Start, that they have one session when they did a pitching session. It was very good. Those people, entrepreneurs, like, they know the business from the back of the finger, the fingertips, all the numbers, all the valuation, the financial projection, they know. So that's what you need to know in a pitching. When you pitch something, you need to know all this information. So that's what I'm going to help you with your financial projection, your partners, who are your team members, all that you need to put inside your pitch deck. So I will help you with that as well, and on also how to create it so it's very interesting and impactful for investors.
Yeah, and then also for me, do some work first, because sometimes people
you don't have any results.
Because people will say, okay, person A has done something. Or the person A has a very strong personal brand, known for something already, right? Compared to person B, also doing the same thing, but has never done even small steps, but asking for money. They'll definitely give to person A. So that's why even if before you get your pitching, your funding, or you are looking for investors, start doing something to show some track record. Then people will know that, okay, this is a person that is I'm willing to invest in because I see the work that she or he does.
And then I like Kajabi because you can track everything, your sales, all you can track. Jadi if investors want to see the track, your sales, all you need to just print out the report and then include it in your pitch presentation. They will be able to see, okay, from January to December, how much sales you make, and then all the, like, even like they have affiliate program, how much people under your team, how much they making money as well. So you can actually show a track record not only of your own success, but the people in your team success as well.
So this is what we offer, the first one, mindset first. Then we have marketing, we have presentation skills, and we have networking like Clubhouse, like Zoom networking that we are doing, right? So to get you connected, so you can have access to all of these contacts.
So if you're not sure, right, then you can attend our Love and Respect Transform rooms, learn how Mushida does moderation. Then in a while, you can also co-moderate with her to learn how to moderate. I'm also learning from Mushida because I'm not very good at moderating. But I'm learning from her. So that's why you need to start somewhere.
Start somewhere, And then use the room as a practice, you know. Even you can use the room, and then because there's already members, 100 over members, you can open up a room and then introduce yourself, and then do a certain topic. Like you say, oh, okay, I want to address about parenting, but I want to host it. Okay, fine. Then we all set a date, and then we call people, ping, and then after that's where you start to get yourself visible, and then people will start following you as well. So you have to start somewhere. So that's one of the things that we are also working on as well, and we have collaborated with a few other people like Go Global, because they have already built their reputation with 1,000 over. Now Maryland, I think Farida is also speaking at the women's platform, the one that Rich Woman magazine is conducting from London. They're also speaking, and then Melissa is also a speaker. So I was sharing with Melissa this morning. I said, you know, Melissa is from Trinidad Tobago, so her time zone is a bit different from ours. So our coaching is very early in the morning. 8 o'clock. And then what I was just sharing with them, like I chose a time, I chose a topic. One thing, I chose a topic that feels good for me. So my topic for the Rich Woman's 24-hour series program is on women leadership of the future. Okay, so that's my passion. I love that topic. Okay, I chose that topic. And then the time, I did not choose a time that was comfortable for me. I chose a time where I want to reach out to a new target market, because people in my time zone will be people I already, you know, very visible. Or they are already very visible. And I want to get myself known to a different target market from another, I mean the same target market, but in a different location, right? So that's why I chose the 1 a.m., 1:20 a.m. time to speak. So people will know me, because people from a different time zone, they don't normally listen to me, right? So they get to know me. So that's how I get myself known. Sometimes I appear at places where people don't expect me to appear. So I appear, and that's where you get yourself visible as well. So these are things that I can also share with you lah. And then being a business owner, working from home, you can manage your time, you know, when you want to sleep and all that.
You know, like the last time the digital marketing experts were saying like audio is going to be the new thing, you know, but a lot of people do not take advantage, but those people who took advantage of the audio, now like people like Clubhouse making millions and billions of dollars because of they ride on the trend. So now we must always think forward. What is the next trend? We be there the pioneer, so then you can really ride the wave. But if you are late, then other people start making money, then you are late lah. Like even for us we are late. But but still there's still opportunities.
I can't remember. I think Gary Vee was in Singapore. I was there at his at the branding workshop. And then somebody was asking when is the next trend. He said audio. And then some people were messaging. I saw inside the feed on social media. Gary Vee said about audio. Hello, it's a long time ago. Audio is gone. Now you will see that audio is something. You know, podcast like Mai's podcast is how many 10,000 over downloads. You know, so she said in less than 1 year she got so many people downloading the podcast, her podcast, and she increased her visibility through audio. Clubhouse is another thing. Cho called me and said you must join Clubhouse, you know, when Clubhouse first came, and I was
technology,
she's in tech, and I'm like wait lah, I don't have iPhone lah. Then she said go and buy an iPhone now. Then I'm like okay. Then she said don't forget to download Society Gal. So I bought lah iPhone, and even then I bought iPhone, I also procrastinated 3 months until Aziza said, hey, first time I got in Clubhouse, can you come and support me, become moderator? So that's how I started. And I was also behind in Aziza, you know, like she went go. So her visibility is so amazing now worldwide. So I came in and I saw that, hey, this is really working. So that's why I invite all of you also to come on. So these are the things that sometimes we share, and you know, I know how it feels like, uncomfortable, you know, lazy lah, this and that, all kinds of things. I'm also like that, you know. So it's I recognize that. So that's why when I share with you, it's not to say you all must do this, but it's because I know I've also gone through that. And if I break through and I found a better way, I will share. Okay, so Leave a Legacy is we want you to create a sustainable and profitable business.
And the most important, we want you to be rich. We want you to live the best life. I mean, you whatever you want in your life, you actually is in reach. You can get it. If you want to, like Mushida wants a beach house, you know. So you can, if you set intention and you work towards it, you will come true. But you need to have the intention in the first place, and not only do we living a good life for ourselves, but we also want other people to live that good life as well. Not just be in surviving mode. You want them to succeed, because we have seen so many people like Cho, right? She's a refugee, but she can be a multi-million-dollar entrepreneur. So it is possible, even for refugees, for marginalized community, but they took the time to learn. They had a very good attitude.
So I see even in the refugee community, some people who succeed and some people who don't. So that's why I also reflect on myself, you know. Okay, so these are now this coming year, the partners that we are working with, and Huda is also coming on board with us to lend us support and training on digital, anything digital, because you know she's updated, she is young, you know, and this is her superpower. So we got her to share her superpower with us here in the community, all updates.
So she'll be sharing, she'll be doing a content marketing workshop very soon. Let me confirm the dates. Then you can also attend her content marketing. Is very good, because now later I will share with you, right? Content marketing is the highest in the digital marketing trend and digital marketing kind of sales and all this. So later I share with you guys.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Charlie Ang
Ang
is still in our community. So those of you who have not attended, please attend, especially Singaporeans over 40. You can get it. Get it.
Free.
Now it's $100 only. Singaporeans, but Malaysians and foreigners, if you want to join his class, it's at 750 from our community. Outside people, they pay 950 or 1,000. Yeah. So this is also a fantastic training, and from his training, he said he's happy to coach you when we do group coaching together. And the thing is, during whatever comes out during the Blue Ocean strategy part, we will follow up with you on working on that direction.
One of the case study was on Pamela. You know, Pamela, she was not sure what she wanted to do. She attended Charlie's course, and Charlie talked about the Blue Ocean, which is children who are addicted to devices. You know, because not many people are servicing that market. So the moment Pamela took his advice and went to the market, now she's already in her own Blue Ocean. If she continued to do that, it's a matter of time before she actually boom with her training
business.
boom. Yeah.
Okay. The other one is Ari. Ari is doing brands. August he will be training. So he has made companies turn millions through branding, and what he is focused on in his company, because before he used to work for other people, right? Now because he runs his own business, he makes sure that the clients are also the socially responsible brands.
Brands with purpose.
Brands with purpose. That is his superpower, you know. So he's
he's also doing our rebranding for us as well. So you will see our new brand, new logo very soon. We're very excited about that as well.
Okay, so the other thing is all of these things that's coming up, and this is happening like last year, same time Zil and I were talking in July 2020. People, when we started Live a Legacy and we were talking about all of these things.
We started in March actually.
We started in March. A lot of people that we talked to said, no give me another 2 months or 3 weeks, you know.
COVID will be gone. I just wait for government to help me.
Or when I have more money, then I will join you all lah, you know. So, and I saw the COVID cases is becoming worse.
Malaysia, if you go out from our area, you see barbed fences, you know, in our area. Barbed fences is like you're in a prison, you cannot go out. So we don't know what the government will do, people do, but we actually can control ourselves if we plan in advance. That's why we're telling you all this, not to scare you, but telling you that this is going to happen, and we actually as a community providing you that solution that you can take and plan from now.
So like for us, because we pivoted, and some of the people who pivoted early at that time, right? They start to make money already online, so they can survive. Whereas I've met people who are going down the rabbit hole, even worse and worse and worse. Because why they take they take too long and it's procrastinate. They get overwhelmed. Overwhelmed, and then complain. Oh, husband lost job. We cannot do this. Oh, Mushida, I cannot invest. You know, all of this, and all I know is, it's all mindset, because money will go where there's a purpose. Like Zil and I, we hired one very high-end coach already.
$30,000.
Yes, and my mastermind partner, right? I kind of like recommended her to talk to that person, and then after that she's like, Mushida, I'm in. Oh my God, I feel sick. You know, like actually,
my join first and us, right?
My join first, because I was still finishing up another mentorship with another person, and I told her, go and meet this person. Maybe there's something, you know, you can do. And this person is also Cho Spice's coach as well. And then after that, my joined first, and she said, oh my God, I cannot believe I did it. You know, I don't know. Then she's
very overwhelmed.
Am I buyer's remorse or whatever? You know, in her first quarter, they said the first 2 months, she was so confused. What is happening with this coaching? She doesn't understand, because you know why? Every new thing that you have experienced in the coaching, it's reality. It's that she said 2 months she didn't make money, and she's like, what is this coach teaching? I also don't understand. But when she finally got it within the 3rd month, she said that quarter she made 76K. 76K from someone I met. She was she was struggling even to make 2,000 a month, you know, in her coaching business. She made 76K that time she told me, and then I was like, wow. I don't know if Diana, you heard her story, because you are also in her community right now. Yeah, she made oh, this is secret. Mastermind secret. Yeah. She was like, oh, you know, this thing. And then she when I finished the mastermind, I mean, I finished my last session, I talked to Zil, talked to this coach, because I said, I don't want to join this coach alone and he doesn't get coach. So I asked,
align our energy, right?
So I said, let's align our energy.
Let's get a coach that we can do coaching for both of us together, right? Yeah.
And you know what? Within less than a month, we made our money back and more.
Double.
Yeah.
5,000 really we got.
Yeah. In such a short period of time, we haven't finished the whole I mean, it's 1 year, right? This is only less than a month. We already received that. So it is the thing is, if we keep saying, oh, I gotta hold on, money, because now times are hard, we cannot afford to invest and anything, when that mindset happens, which is the mindset I used to have also, it is telling there's not enough money. And when you say there's not enough money, you don't trust in the Almighty's abundance, there will always be blocks. That's what I realized. So be aware. Some of you attended Charlie's training, like I know Josephine has, Aisha has, Yuna also has attended Charlie's training. You know the upcoming trends, and this is not just theory. This is happening. And sometimes it's so subtle, you don't even realize. Suddenly, it's boom, it's there. Oh my God, we learned this, pandemic, oh yeah, financial crisis, oh yeah, food crisis, because it's very subtle, just like environment, people didn't realize how dangerous the environment is, very fragile, until suddenly, So all of these things are coming, so it's all about you taking in the inspired steps so that you can protect yourself, not only yourself and your family, but also we want to be able to help others as well, because we don't want to be the kind of people that's in the Quran that says, if you are full, your neighbor goes hungry, you are accountable for it, right? So we don't want to be one of those people where we feed ourselves, we show scenery, everything.
But other people are suffering.
But next door, people don't have food. So we want to be able to feed ourselves and feed others at the same time.
Make others feed others as well.
Make others feed others. That is where we are, right? So these are things that's coming up. That's why to counter the food crisis, we have invested in the Desaru community project with Nazir. Nazir is also in our community.
Nazir and Ashraf.
Ashraf also.
Then the good news was they started with a 25-acre project in Desaru. This is the land, right? To do our organic farming, livestock, and then people want to stay there, also have an option. And then we just met them yesterday. They got good news, and now they are getting another 200 acres. So all total 200 acres for people to do organic farming. And if you have an idea you want to put there, you can also suggest like a school or whatever you want to do. Then we can do, as a community, we can do together. Like our commitment now is to invest the first $20,000 US on the land, so we can stay there, and other people also and get organic farming, get food, and also other people also can stay with us. In that,
Okay, and then this is me loving animals and
all the livestock
my daughter.
There,
the livestock is there. These are the organizations we work with. So these are the solutions: environment preservation, sustainable community project, livelihood, leave a legacy, conscious business community, and the land development. Okay, so these are all things that we have already prepared. So what do we do now so that by the future, because we don't know how long we are going to live here on earth, we don't want our children to suffer or
provide a legacy for them where they can, when things happen, they have an option to go somewhere, or they have an option to take the solution.
And also those people who are in other countries, like Corey, he was thinking of something to do with the land in Japan and all that. So that is something also that Corey can also do or duplicate in his part of the world.
Even the Desaru land, a lot of people say, oh, it's very expensive for me to invest. So what we came up with, we want to make things easy for you. So if your intention, I want to stay there the next 5 years, you can talk to us, and then we will help you to pay installment every month, how much, whatever you're comfortable with. So after 5 years, you can actually take your things and actually even go there and pack up and go there. And it's if I'm not mistaken, it's a 60 to 70 year lease for that amount that you invest. It's about $20,000 US per 20,000 Singapore dollars per acre. But you can divide the acre into 4, so you can 4 people can stay inside the acre, and then you divide the 10,000 into 4.
So all of this is already what we are planning on because we've seen the trends. We've studied it also together with Charlie. Not all of the things that he says we want to apply or suited, but we know where it's going, but we decide where it is that we want to go.
Intuitively, for under players, and also intuitively we set which intention, which direction we want to go there. We know that God will help us along the way.
So for us is that land. Okay, and the other thing is how we are going to get there is to grow our business. And now with Clubhouse, sorry, not 10 p.m. because Zil is Zil is not a night person. Zil is a morning person. So we make it earlier. Now 9:30 p.m. every Wednesday, we do the speed networking. So